Welcome to this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough, where each week I feature a home or a property that I think is a great opportunity. We are in Goodyear, Arizona today in a gated condominium community called Pyramids at Palm Valley. Today I will be giving you a sneak peek of my latest listing here. This hits the market May 1st, so you're going to be the first to see it before it goes live on the MLS. Okay. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath upstairs unit. It's 1,209 square feet with a 1-car garage. It also is a rare golf course view condo. It sits on hole 2 of Palm Valley Golf Club's north course. So if you're looking for a golf or spring training retreat, this condo is perfect. Let's head inside and take a look at this beautiful home offered at $309,900. This nice open floor plan here. Pork chop does not come included. Do you, pork chop? Sure, cute though. Eat-in kitchen here. Got your pantry. Stainless steel appliances, all new. Granite counters. Here's what I love about this home and why I think it's such a great opportunity. At just over 1,200 square feet, this condo is well laid out. It's low maintenance, it's lock and leave. It's located 2 minutes from shopping, parks, golf, great restaurants. My favorite Mexican food restaurant is Old Pueblo, and that's just 1.5 miles from here. Also, if you're looking for an investment opportunity, this home sits just half a mile from Estrella Community College. Maybe you have a young adult and they're just starting out. This community is gated, so it would be a great place for a young adult. Also, Grand Canyon University, just 23 minutes from here. Also, ASU is 33 minutes away, so it would make a really great rental as well. Extra storage out here, and of course, you've got these great golf course views. This is the second hole of the north course at Palm Valley Golf Club. You are just south of Goodyear Community Park and the YMCA, but it's also got its own tennis courts. It's got its own pool, spa, and a little fitness center. You are 1.3 miles to the I-10 freeway from here. If you need a Costco, that's just 6 miles away. Sprouts, 2 miles away. Harkins Theater is also 2 miles away, so you're right in the middle of everything here. If you play golf, as you can see behind me, Palm Valley Golf Club is pretty much your backyard. The clubhouse is right down the street. It's 27 holes of championship golf, and they have a beautiful practice facility there too, plus indoor and outdoor dining in their restaurant. Washer dryer, brand new and staying with the unit. If you're stationed at Luke Air Force Base, it's just a 6-minute drive from here, and we are 22 miles from Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. If you want to catch some spring training games here in the spring, we are 5 miles from the Goodyear ballpark, and that's where our Cleveland Guardians and Cincinnati Reds play. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed going through this beautiful home as much as I did. If you'd like to book a private showing, please give me a call. I'd love to take you through it. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I am an Arizona realtor that serves the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls every day from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Phoenix. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out. You can send me a text, give me a call, or shoot me an email, and I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. And also, it helps me reach more people that are looking to find their dream home here. Thanks again for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.